to speak about effective construction site management through unified data workflow. And it's not about single technology that solves all the specific customer tasks, but about the synergy of digital systems and services like CDE, reporting system, laser scanning, drone survey, panoramic photos, and of course, on-site BIM that form the digital data workflow. A few words about our team. We're not guys from IT who made software for construction, but we're the construction specialists who have enhanced the efficiency of our projects and are now making these technologies available to the whole market. We have been in operation for 5 years and have implemented our services in more than 3 million square meters of construction sites. While we have an office in Dubai and Boston, we're also expanding our market globally. And I would like to add a few more words about myself. My name is Pavel Goretsky, and I'm currently a BIM coordinator in SIGNAX, responsible for BIM and digital services on-site implementation in SIGNAX MENA region. I have more than 5 years of construction experience and BIM implementation in residential housing and industrial facilities. Now also act as a team coordinator and a speaker for you today. Today we'll discuss the implementation of BIM technologies and digital services for construction sites. We'll cover topics such as remote construction control, construction progress tracking, unified information centers, collaboration in CDE, as-built and digital twins. BIM implementation during construction is a process that involves a number of key steps. First, it's important to choose the right technologies for your goals, including software, hardware, or other tools that will enable you to create and manage your project data more efficiently. The next step is to ensure that the models are being created with the necessary level of detail, accurate dimensions, element properties, and their spatial position. After collecting the necessary field data, we will date it against the design models to ensure that they match. Progress tracking, scope management, and QA/QC processes throughout the project are crucial steps in implementing BIM. Regular updates and reports help identify issues. Monitoring progress against timelines increases efficiency throughout the project lifecycle. In today's world, there are many modern technologies available for construction project management. For companies that are just starting to improve their efficiency, it can be difficult to determine which techniques are best for their business process. They need to identify the methods and will help them increase the quality and speed of the design and construction process, ultimately maximizing their return of investment. The cornerstone of modern construction technologies lies in the accurate collection of field data. Technologies like laser scanning, aerial drone surveys, and 360-degree photography play a crucial role. These methods not only ensure precision in data collection, but also enable us to integrate these data seamlessly into BIM processes. Such integration is vital for efficient scope management, ensuring quality assurance and embedding BIM in every phase of construction. These technologies contribute to creating a more efficient, accurate, and sustainable construction environment. So I would like to focus more on digital services for the construction site. But let's start with aerial surveying. So aerial survey begins with planning the flight route. The choice of drone and flight parameters like heights depends on the required quality of survey results, as well as the conditions on the construction site. The process starts with designing the optimal flight route, taking into account the desired surveyed results and the specific conditions of the construction site. the choice of drone and flight parameters such as altitude, there are crucial factors that need to be considered, as so they will directly impact the accuracy and detail of the images captured during the survey. One of the immediate results of aerial photography are 360 photos. They provide a bird's eye view from construction site and visual representation of construction progress for remote project team members. And one of the most useful results of aerial photography is point cloud that is made using photogrammetry software. Point clouds allow you to accurately record everything that happens on construction site at the time of shooting. When performing aerial photography, the human factor is minimized, resulting in crisper and more accurate survey results compared to traditional methods. The ortho mosaic made it possible to get in one moment's background of the master plan for the as-built documentation. Differences were identified between design data, as-built documentation, and actual data. So surveyors play a crucial role in the BIM process. Their analytics involve verifying the actual spatial positions of elements, comparing BIM models with master plans, and calculating the scope of landscaping and earthworks. Good results show in orthophoto maps compared to large development master plans and utility master plans. Right now, we're working on artificial intelligence integration to extract deviances in massive data blocks. Accuracy is key to ensuring that the physical construction aligns perfectly with the plan design. Land surveyors' insight contribute to a more accurate, efficient, and cost-effective construction process. And let's follow up by laser scanning. So, obtaining current and updated data on certain areas of the construction site is possible using laser scanning technologies. The volume of work is difficult in difficult places where aerial photography had a number of empty zones could be calculated. Point cloud of internal premises and communications helps to update the BIM model, get a clear visualization of communications and structures, and also see the whole picture with production equipment not according to its build situation. Performing laser scanning after several construction stages boosts effectiveness of projects. For example, after completing structural part of the project, after installation of all MEP systems, after completing all the finishing work and arranging the necessary production equipment. And furthermore, enhancing effectiveness of the project and allowing remote control is now possible with SIGNAX inspection model. The internal supervision process needs to be a true reflection of the reality. By connecting a 360 camera to the SIGNAX inspection model, we can create a useful quality control tool. This approach is cost-effective and provides valuable results. It eliminates the need for top-notch specialists to be on site, as QC engineers can remotely monitor progress, performance, schedule, and safety levels on site or at multiple sites. At the end of the day, you have 360 photo captures for every single date you need. You can compare it between each other or even with BIM model, as it's shown in the picture. And with this information, you can make informed management decisions. Moreover, we develop workflow to track the progress of construction projects using SIGNAX tools module. Our approach is about establishing a reliable and dynamic construction BIM model during the construction phase. SIGNAX tools model allows you to mark elements as complete, accepted, or planned, add subcontractor, and add work type. This workflow enables you to create a real-time construction model that could be actively processed during the whole construction progress and show you valuable information about as-built volumes and visual representation of the construction progress. We have empowered class SIGNAX works with extremely convenient tools, calculating quantity take-offs and bill of materials. In one program interface, we create WBS structure with units of unit price, add rules to filter our specific elements or group of elements. After that, we can extract quantities in desired formats connected to accurate beam scope. But what would happen if model gets changed? Most of the times we receive corrected or updated BIM models from design teams. And even in this case, we can apply created WBS setting to revised models and be ready to get new work scope for certain subcontractor based on previous model settings. By using automated source sets creation in SIGNAX tools, we could also generate bill of quantities with exact and accurate beam scope. Besides, we could generate accepted works invoices directly for Navis Works interface. Moreover, SIGNAX tools automatically attach visual image of elements that are included only in selected days and work traits for more informative document in Excel spreadsheet. It's essential to store and present construction models and important project metrics to stakeholders in a single system, like a SIGNAX dashboard, where all the crucial project information could be presented. Service provides access to the project report, where you can store the most recent information about projects, schedule, cost, and quality to track progress and forecast future outcomes easily. Effective scope management is the backbone of any successful construction project. In dashboard servers, we focus on providing comprehensive visual reports in the web browser. The good part is that people that are involved in construction process do not need to purchase licenses, install additional software, and train personnel for specific BIM skills. These reports offer clear insights into project progress and enable precise tracking of scope details. Our approach ensures that all project aspects are accurately accounted for, reducing the risk of scope creep and enhancing overall project management efficiency. So, SIGNAX Dashboard is a digital control center in your browser, giving you access to all the information and key figures about your construction project progress, with real-time tracking of key performance indicator and can make informed decisions. SIGNAX Docs is adapted to work from any mobile device, which allows you to access the project at any time, anywhere. So our mobile interface completely replicates the capabilities of the web version. And finally, we move to a model that connects every model together, common data environment, SIGNAX Docs. So our common data environment platform serves as a centralized hub for all construction-related data and documentation. It allows project teams to collaborate effectively, irrespective of their location. The platform stores all the necessary data. It also enables team members to view, share, and edit data in real time, streamlining your workflows. To configure the server, we use S3 technology storage, which allows users to choose which servers to host their projects on. This can be either a corporative server or a private cloud, or a cloud server that SIGNAX provides. SIGNAX Docs is adapted to work from any mobile device, which allows you to access the project at any time and anywhere. SIGNAX Docs supports more than 50 data formats. So, SIGNAX Docs feature issuance of comments in PDF documentation and models, with the placement of notes, so-called markups on drawings with one comment and the ability to extract other files from docs, as well as create additional attributes. Other important feature is creating documentation sets with codes, planned dates, and attached documents to them. Track the backlog and view the history of all approvals for each kit of documents. Sign in using digital signature, placing QR codes and stamps on the accepted documentation. Import sets of planned dates from Excel and export back. So SIGNAX Docs supports more than 50 data formats. For 3D models, there's a tool for tracking changes in design versions, for creating additional cutting plans, for viewing 2D sheets and elements properties. We included Google Docs and Sheets functionality inside SIGNAX Docs. So development of BIM software made us one step closer for creating a digital twin. As we speak about the digital twin and as-built models, it's vital to understand the transformative impacts they have. These models are crafted from precise field data, including point clouds and aerial photogrammetry. They are not just static representations, they are interactive digital mirrors of the physical structure. This approach allows us to bridge the gap between the virtual and the real, ensuring our projects are not only built to a specification, but also have a lasting digital legacy for future reference and management. Currently, we have multiple projects with complete as-built models in their transformation process to digital twin. During that process, we connect real-time sensors from MEP floors of the building to BIM model elements, collecting equipment metrics for the following statics and analytics. So today we highlight the crucial role of BIM and digital technologies in modern construction site management. Synergy of various digital systems and services in streamlining data workflows. Key points include the significance of accurate field data collection, remote project control through the digital inspection models. Overall, it advocates for embracing digital tools, focusing on preciseness and learning from existing cases to enhance construction efficiency, with commitment from SIGNAX to empower our customers for effective digital solutions. So, we in SIGNAX help our customers and the market to be more effective on site. Strive to be efficient, don't be afraid to change, and digital for the construction right now. It was a pleasure for me to speak to you today, and thank you. I think it was quite faster than expected.
Thank you, Paul. Dear colleagues, any questions so far? I see the chat box, and there was a question regarding the presentation. Actually, we will send the presentation to everyone on the webinar, and yeah, we will send it in PDF format. So yeah, that's for sure. We will have it.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now it's good.
Yes.
Yeah. Just have another question about, the takeover and the POQ quantities. Is it, all the data entered during design stage, or the system will do it automatically once the design is there?
So the system takes all the volumes from the model. So basically, it requires small work by hands. So you will create a search set. So our system will identify the correct elements. So it's pretty fast, but at the end, you will get a bill of quantity. So it's really simple. If you're really interested in creating bill of quantities or invoices, we could make an additional meeting where I could showcase maybe on your data or on our sample data how it's done.
If you share a presentation that shows, more details about the features that your system have, that would be very useful, I think.
Yeah, sure. And actually, we have a YouTube channel where is a 2-3 minutes short, really short videos and format videos regarding SIGNAX tools. and we showcased the export of BOQs there. So I can share the link in the chat. Just give me a moment. So here is a screenshot, and here is a link. So yeah, you can spend 2 minutes and you can like understand basics of how we can export BOQ in an automatic way using Beam model. Really like fantastic feature. BOQ departments in a couple of our customers, they really like it and use it.
Thank you very much.
Any more questions? Okay, if no more questions, then thank you, gentlemen. We will send you a presentation, and we will touch you a bit later. Maybe you will like share with us your feedback on our experience, and maybe you will like share your experience on the case. Thank you, Mondar. Thank you, Nuna.
Thank you. I hope that we'll meet in another webinars and presentations in the future.
Yeah, definitely. We plan some like series of webinars, and we're gonna share our experience with the community. We will send you an invitation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye bye.